Welcome students to Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we are going to start with part 9 of chapter number 7, Bill of Exchange. Here question number 3. In the previous class we have done a bill discounted with the bank. Now in this sum we are going to start with a bill sent to the bank for collection. Now let us see here the sum. Amul draws a bill on Atul for 24,000 rupees on 6th of October 2019 for 3 months. So Amul is a drawer and Atul is a drawee. Here, Atul accepts the bill on the same date. That means the bill is accepted, drawn and accepted on the same date. Now, here Amul, that is drawer, sends the bill to the bank for collection on 20th of October 2019. So drawer is sending the bill to the bank for collection. See here further, before due date, Atul finds himself unable to make the payment of bill and requests Amul to renew it. Here, the first bill is dishonor because drawee, that is Atul, is not in a position to do the payment. Therefore, he is requesting Amul to renew the bill. So here, Amul agrees to the proposal on the condition that Atul should pay 10,000 in cash. So this 10,000 in cash, it is part payment. But see further here, along with interest rupees 800. So here in this sum, they have given the interest. No need to calculate, but we have to see here interest amount. We are going to add along with the part payment and accept a new bill for the 2 months for the balance. And now the balance amount is out of 24,000, the part payment is made 10,000 rupees and therefore 14,000 is left. So for 14,000, the new bill has been prepared. Further here, Atul retired the bill on 12th of January 2020 by paying 13,500. Here, Atul retired the bill. It means here, he is doing the payment before the due date. Right? Now let us see here journal entries in the books of Amul. In the books of Amul, journal here. Format of journal here. Now see the first journal entry here. Amul, he has drawn the bill, that is accepted by drawee, that is Atul. So therefore acceptance entry will come here. 2019 October 6 here. Bills receivable account debit to Atul's account 24,000. Being bill drawn and acceptance received. Here. Now, in this sum, they have clearly mentioned the bill is sent to the bank for collection and the date also they have given here. So, the bill is sent to the bank for collection on 20th of October and therefore our entry is bill sent to bank for collection account debited to bills receivable account 24,000 rupees and narration here being Atul's acceptance sent to the bank for collection. Right? Now, see here after this. Now, this bill which we sent to the bank for collection, this bill is dishonor and now we are going to pass the entry of dishonor over here. See, the dishonor entry they have given here before the due date and therefore we are not going to add a grace period. So, the due date that we have taken here before the due date, that is 2020 without adding grace period, January 6. Our entry is drawee's account debit to bill sent for collection to drawee's here Atul. Atul account debit to bill sent for collection account 24,000 rupees. Being Atul's acceptance cancelled for renewal. Right? Now see the next entry here. Now we have seen here the first entry of dishonor we have passed. Now remaining 3 entry that we have to pass, entry of interest, entry of part payment and entry of new bill. Always we have to remember this, we just recall this in your mind. Now, yeah, just see the entry of interest. Same day we are going to pass the entry here for 2020 January 6 year. Atul account debited to interest account 800 rupees. Here interest they have clearly given and therefore no need to calculate here. Now the next entry is the same date here. Cash or bank account debited to Atul account. This is the entry of what? Part payment and along with the part payment 10,000 rupees in the sum it has been said that interest amount also paid. So this interest amount we are going to add into the part payment of the bill. So 10,000 plus 800, 10,800 here the part payment that the drawer has received. So therefore, cash or bank account debited to Atul's account 10,800 rupees and narration here being part payment received along with interest. Always students we have to mention here If they will mention here interest amount with part payment, then we have to specify that in the narration. Or if they will say here interest amount is paid along with the new bill, we have to specify that also. Now the last entry is entry of new bill. So here entry of new bill, that we have passed here. This receivable account debited to Atul's account 14,000 rupees. This is the balance amount here, and being new bill drawn and acceptance received, right? So till here we have done bill drawn and accepted, the bill sent to the bank for collection, the first bill. Now the first bill which we sent to the bank for collection, that is dishonor, we pass the all 4 journal entries. Now just see here, they have said again Atul here, he is doing the payment before the due date, and they have mentioned the date also, that is January 12, right here. Now see the amount also they have mentioned here, cash or bank account debit. That means here Atul has paid here 13,500. Instead of paying 14,000 rupees, he has paid here 13,500. Now the balance amount is 500 rupees. So this 500 rupees here, this we can call it is a loss, and therefore we are going to debit here. And here we are going to mention here either discount account debit or rebate account debit, whichever is convenient for you. So either you can add here discount or rebate account debit 500 rupees. To bills receivable account 14,000 rupees. Therefore, being Atul's acceptance retired and rebate allowed, right? So in this sum, we have seen that the bill is paid before the due date. And in the previous class, we had studied when the drawee became insolvent for the second bill, and therefore we have to remember that we have to pass 2 journal entries. But in this here, drawee is doing the payment before the due date, and therefore is expecting that he should pay a little less amount of the bill. So instead of 14,000, he is paying only 13,500, and 500 rupees is the benefit, right? So this sum, in this sum, we have done about bill sent to the bank for collection, right? Now let us proceed with the next sum and next case. That would be the last case of bill of exchange. See here, question number 4. The first question we did, that was a simple bill. Second question we did, that is bill discounted with the bank. The third case we did about bill sent to the bank for collection. And the fourth case is here bill endorsed. Now just see here the sum. Shalini owes 26,000 rupees to Anand. Anand draws a bill for 21,000 on Shalini for 3 months period and received the balance by cross check. The bill was duly accepted and returned to Anand. On the same day, Anand endorsed Shalini's acceptance to Vikram. On the due date, Vikram informed Anand that Shalini dishonored her acceptance and noting charges 280 were paid. Anand then drew a bill for 1 month on Shalini, including noting charges and interest 650. On the due date, Shalini honored her acceptance by check. Give journal entries in the books of Anand and prepare Anand's account in the books of Shalini. Now students, just see here, they have given here, we have to prepare the entry in the books of Anand. Anand is a drawer, and Anand's account in the books of Shalini. Shalini is a drawee, right? Now let us understand here the sum. Shalini owes 26,000 rupees to Anand. It means she has to pay this 26,000 to Anand. Therefore, Anand is a drawer and Shalini is a drawee. Now, therefore, Anand draws a bill for 21,000 rupees on Shalini. So, out of 26,000 rupees, Anand has drawn a bill of 21,000 rupees and the balance and received the balance by cross check. It means the balance amount is 5,000 rupees that is paid by Shalini through cross check, right? Now, the next year, the bill was duly accepted and returned to Anand. Here, after this, the bill is drawn and accepted. Now, on the same date, now in this sum, they have not specified about the date, right? So, here, on the same date, Anand endorsed Shalini's acceptance to Vikram. So, here we can see here the bill is endorsed to the third party and the third party name is Vikram. So, Vikram is endorsee over here. The bill is endorsed to Vikram. So now here we are going to pass the entry of endorsement of bill. Further, on the due date, Vikram informed Anand that Shalini's dishonored her acceptance along and noting charges 280 were paid. Now on the due date, right here, endorsee is informing to drawer that Shalini dishonored her acceptance. Ravi has dishonored her acceptance and therefore noting charges was paid by him, 280 rupees. Right? Now students, always remember here noting charges amount we are going to add to the amount of bill. Now further, now Anand then drew a bill for 1 month on Shalini including noting charges and interest 650. Now here one thing we have noticed here, in this sum they have not specified about the part payment. So now instead of passing 4 journal entries of dishonor, here we are going to pass 3 journal entries of dishonor because part payment has not been done. So therefore Anand then drew a new bill, entry of new bill, then entry of here interest and dishonor entries will come. Now on the due date, Shalini honored her acceptance by check. Now second bill is honored by Ravi, honored by Shalini on due date. So this is the entire sum. Right? In this sum the bill is endorsed. Now one thing we have to remember here, later on when we are going to just do Anand account in the books of Shalini, we have to pass the journal entries and we have to keep in mind entries as per the Ravi's point of view. Now let us begin here entries as per Anand's point of view. Anand, in the books of Anand, Anand is a drawer, journal entry here. Now see here the first journal entry, that bills receivable account debit 21,000 rupees, bank account debit 5,000 rupees to Shalini's account here 26,000 rupees, because the actual amount the Shalini she has to pay 26, but out of 26 she has done the payment through cross check 5,000 rupees and therefore on the balance amount the bill has been prepared 21,000 rupees. Now the next here, yes, now the bill here is endorsed to endorsee and therefore we are going to pass the entry of endorsement here. Our endorsee is Vikram here, to Vikram account debit to bills receivable account 21,000 rupees. Being Shalini's acceptance endorsed in favor of Vikram. Right? So the bill that we have accepted from Shalini, the same bill we have transferred to Vikram. That is Anand has transferred the bill to Vikram. Now here, now endorsee, that is Vikram, he is informing to Anand that Shalini's acceptance is dishonor, right? It means Shalini is not in a position to do the payment and therefore here endorsee, he is returning this bill to Anand and here we are going to pass the entry of dishonor. Our entry is Shalini's account debit to Vikram's account. Therefore, Ravi's account debit to endorsee's account and amount here 21,000 rupees plus here noting charges 280 rupees. Clearly, it is given here noting charges paid by Vikram and therefore we are going to add amount of noting charges along with the bill amount. So here Shalini account debit 21,280 to Vikram account 21,280. So this is the entry of dishonor. Now the next entry is of interest here. Therefore our entry is Shalini's account debit to interest account 650 rupees being interest due. Now in this sum they have not mentioned about the part payment. So now directly we are going to pass the entry of new bill. Therefore the entry of new bill is bills receivable account debit to Shalini's account. Now students, just see here the amount that we are going to write here 21,000 plus noting charges plus amount of interest. So therefore when we will add all this amount we will get here 21,930 is the amount of the second bill. See the narration also being new bill drawn along with noting charges and interest and acceptance received. So 21,000, in that we have added noting charges plus interest amount. So till here we have done the bill is endorsed and endorsed bill is dishonor and we have passed the journal entry till the dishonor of bill. Now let us see here what happened here in the last part of the sum, that the bill is honored on the due date. It means Shalini she has done the payment on the due date. Therefore, our entry is bank account debit 21,930 to bills receivable account 21,930, being Shalini's acceptance duly honored on the due date. Now here we have done journal entries in the books of drawer here, that is in the books of here drawer book we have passed all journal entries. The bill is Amol has drawn the bill, he has accepted, he has endorsed the bill, endorsed bill is dishonor. And now we are going to start here in the books of Drawi. We are going to prepare Anand's account, right? So now just see here in the books of Shalini, we are going to prepare here Anand's account, right? So Shalini is a Drawi, and in Drawi's book, we are going to prepare here Anand account. Now students, always remember that we have to now in the books of Shalini. So here we have to think as per the books of Shalini, that is Drawi's point of view. So we have to keep in our mind Drawi's journal entry, and therefore we are going to do posting into the books of what here Anand, that is Anand account. Now just see here, we have prepared the ledger here, date particular JF amount, date particular JF amount, right? Now we are going to pass here the entry. The first is here that Shalini owes to Anand 26,000 rupees, and therefore Shalini is a creditor. We have passed the entry, a buy balance brought down, opening balance 26,000 rupees. And then Shalini, she has done the payment through cross check. So our entry is Anand account debited to bank account. So here we have passed the entry here to bank account 5,000 rupees. Next here, now the next here that Anand, he has prepared the bill, he has given to Shalini, and therefore Shalini, she is going to pass the entry, she has accepted the bill, and therefore here bills payable account debited to Anand account 21,000 rupees. Sorry students, here Anand account debited to bank account and to bills payable account, and therefore here we have done here to bank account 5,000 rupees, to bills payable account 21,000 rupees, because the total amount is 26,000 rupees. So out of this 26,000 rupees, part payment is made to bank account 5,000 rupees, and the balance 21,000, the bill is accepted by Shalini, right? And here by bills payable account 21,000. Now the next entry is here, the bill is dishonored, right? It means Shalini, she has dishonored the bill, and therefore in Shalini's book the entry will come here, bills payable account debited to Anand account, and therefore here we have written here by bills payable account 21,000 rupees. Now just see here in the sum clearly it is mentioned here about the noting charges. Therefore in Shalini's book here, bills payable account 21,000 rupees Shalini, and she is going to pay noting charges also, and therefore by noting charges account 280 rupees to Anand account. So either we can combine the entry or either we can pass a separate entry. Separate entry will come like this: bills payable account debit 21,000 rupees to Anand account 21,000 rupees, and noting charges here, noting charges account debit 280 rupees to Anand account 280 rupees, right? And now the last it is given here that Anand, he has prepared the bill and he has given to Shalini along with here amount of interest plus noting charges, right? So here, now see here the interest amount also by interest account 650, and therefore the entry that the Shalini is going to pass here, interest account debit to Anand account 650 rupees, right? So the new bill is drawn, in that we are going to add the amount of the bill, that is 21,000 rupees plus noting charges plus interest, and the total amount here 21,930, and therefore the new bill, that is Shalini, has accepted the journal entries Anand account debited to bills payable account 21,930, right? So this is what here we have done the journal entry. Now we are going to close the ledger account here. Our ledger account is going to get tally here 47,930, 47,930. So this is here in the books of Shalini. Here once more time I am going to just explain you here students, please. See the first entry that we have passed here, by balance brought down, and this year Shalini has to pay amount to Anand 26,000 rupees, and therefore credited, Shalini is the creditor, and therefore we have written here on the credit side by balance brought down 26,000 rupees. The next here that Shalini, she has accepted the bill, and she has done the part payment also, and therefore we have passed the entry in the books of Shalini. Anand account debit to bank account 5,000 rupees, to bills payable account 21,000 rupees. So out of 26, she has paid 5,000 and the balance amount she has accepted the bill 21,000 rupees. And after that, Anand has endorsed the bill, but in Shalini's book there will be no entry of endorsement will come, and therefore directly we are going to pass the entry of dishonor. Right now, on the due date, Shalini dishonored the bill, and therefore our journal entry is bills payable account debit 21,000 rupees, noting charges account debit 280 rupees to Anand account. Right now, the next entry is here the entry of interest. Therefore, our entry is interest account debit 650 rupees to Anand account. Right. So, here we have done here entry of dishonor and interest. Now, part payment is not done. Therefore, we are going to pass the entry of new bill. And therefore, the entry of new bill is Anand account debit to bills payable account 21,930. So, this is here ledger account that we have prepared, and our ledger account of Anand will always be get tally here. So in this sum, students, we have done bill endorsed, and endorsed bill is honored on the due date. So totally we have done all 4 cases, that the normal bill discounted with the bank, bill sent to the bank for collection, and the bill is endorsed. Right? I hope that you people have understood the entire cases. And students, please one more time I am requesting you, just go through all the journal entries. Please be thorough with all the journal entries. Thank you students, and if you have any doubt, you can just call me, you can ask me.